action. Yeah, pull up in a white ghost like I'm Casper. Never switch. I stay 10 toes on the mission. Fish. You just say this be music, it be real movie. Real movie. Overrating discretion, it be blue movie.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola, and if this is not your first time, you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. First of all, I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I've been a little sick, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your hair from dry to super moisturized and defined. And I feel like this is one of the questions I get the most, like especially on Instagram. People always want to know how I get my hair defined, and as you can see from this video, my hair isn't always defined. But anyway, I went ahead and I washed my hair, I deep conditioned, you know, the whole shebang, and now I'm just going ahead to oil my scalp because I don't want it to be like too dry or anything. And I'm going to be starting with this small section here. Now typically when I do my wash and goes, I like to do them on soaking wet hair, but my hair had dried up a bit here, so as you can see I'm just going to be wetting it with some water. And these are the products that I'm going to be using. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, guys. I always list my products in the description. Anyway, I'm going to be going ahead to moisturize my hair using the LCO method. So I'm using that leave-in as well as this Dark and Lovely cream and then an oil. Eventually I changed that cream to this Shea Butter that I have because I wasn't really feeling the consistency, but you guys will see that later. But I'm pretty much just smoothing the product into my hair. I'm doing the praying hands method as well, just to make sure that the product is like really like absorbed into my hair. And you guys can see, like, once my hair is moisturized, my curls start to pop. That's the truth. Anyway, I'm going to be using my Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is one of my favorite gels because it has a lot of hold and it defines my hair a lot. And as you can see, I'm pretty much just raking the products in. That's the method I use for my wash and go. I don't have time to like shingle my hair. I have too much hair. Like if I decide to shingle, I'll be here forever. So I pretty much just do the raking method. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the next section of hair. I'm spritzing it with a lot of water to get it like literally soaking wet or close to soaking wet, and I'm just like massaging the products into my hair, smoothing them in. And after I do the LCO method, I just go in with some of my Wetline gel. And as you guys can see, I'm not using too much of the gel because I don't really like for my hair to feel crunchy or to have that gel cast. So yeah guys, this is pretty much all I'm going to be doing, and this video isn't sped up at all. I'd really like if you guys let me know down below, like, do you guys prefer the sped up videos, or do you like videos like this that are more in real time so you can actually see what I'm doing? And also I'd really like to apologize for not posting videos for a while. I've really been like sick. I had malaria, I came down with the cough, I thought it was corona. Like, I haven't been like the best at all, but I'm feeling much better now, so get ready for all the videos I have for you guys. But yeah, anyway, as you can see, I'm just going to continue doing my hair. I'm just raking the product in, like I said. And another tip I'll give you guys is to definitely work in sections. You don't want to do this and just like put it all over your hair and just expect it to magically, like, you know, be defined. You definitely want to do this in sections. Do as little sections as you can manage, really, and just try to take your time to define this. For reference, my hair is 4A 4B. This is one of the most, like, this is the question I get the most. So here you guys can really see my texture. People always ask me what hair type do you have, and I consider my hair to be 4A 4B. I don't know if I have any 4C in my hair. You guys be the judge. But yeah, that's what my hair looks like. No, I'm not mixed. No, my hair is not texturized. I'm 100% Nigerian. Both my parents are Nigerian. I don't know why people feel like only mixed people can have hair types that are not 4C, but people who are not mixed can have even 3C 3B hair. Like, trust me, God is not I don't know why you guys try to put God in a box, but anybody can have any hair type. Trust me, I've even seen black people who have like a hair type that doesn't curl at all. Like, it's just straight, but it's natural, you know. So please, I really do not like these comments when people ask me like, oh, if I texturized my hair or if I mixed or anything. You guys can clearly see I'm as black and as chocolatey as they come. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to continue defining my hair and I'm going to let you guys watch. So when it comes to wash and goes, you definitely want to try out different products just to see what works best for your hair. I feel like managing hair is all about trial and error. You can't always expect that what works for somebody else will work for you. So you definitely want to try different combinations just to find out what works best for your hair type. Your hair might benefit more from like a gel with stronger hold, while mine might not. I might be able to do a wash and go with just like a styling cream or with like a curl souffle if I have like a looser curl pattern. Whereas if my curl pattern is more kinky like my hair, then you might need a gel just for like more hold and more definition. So you definitely want to play around with different products. Also, some products don't mix well with gels, so you end up getting a lot of flaking, and this is why it's very important to try out different product combinations just to see exactly what works for your hair. So at this point, I'm pretty much done defining my hair, and you guys can see. Another thing is my hair looks a lot looser when it's wet. When it dries up, it dries into like its actual kinky form, so you guys can see what it looks like now. And I feel like my curls aren't very defined, so what I like to do is shake my hair, and this shake was what actually caused my sickness, I feel like. But like after filming this video, that was when I got sick with malaria. Like my head was really hurting and I started to run a temperature. I feel like it was because I was shaking my hair to get my hair defined, but nah, I'm just messing around. I was already sick with malaria and I just didn't know. But after shaking my hair, it just defines my hair more and just clumps my curls really nicely. I like to call this the rake and shake. I don't know if I made this up, but I always just call it the rake and shake method. And you guys can see just how full and how defined like my entire head is. And this is pretty much what I do for my wash and goes. So this is the next day. All I did was sleep with a bonnet, and I just like bobby pinned the side of my hair. And as you guys can see, my hair is super shrunken, but my hair is very soft. I did not have a gel cast. My hair is maybe like 80% dry. Hashtag low porosity struggle. You guys know how that goes. But yeah, I'm just fluffing it out a little bit. This is day one hair, so don't expect like too much volume. And this is one of the reasons I don't like to do wash and goes anymore, because I really love my hair when it's stretched and like really voluminous. So anyway, on the third day, like I went ahead and I stretched my hair, and this is one of my favorite ways of stretching my hair, even though I look like Angelica right now from Rugrats. But I really love to band my hair. It's such a great way to stretch your hair without any heat. If you have a blow dryer, go ahead and do that. That just like saves you the whole process of banding, but this is what I like to do. And as you can notice, I do not band the ends. When you band your hair, you don't want to band the ends, because that's the part of your hair people really get to see like when you wear it out. So you want that part to still like retain its definition. You're really just trying to stretch out your roots. So I leave the ends unbanded and I just go ahead and band the rest of my hair. And you want to be very careful when you take this out, because sometimes I find that my hair kind of like coils around the band. So I take my time when I take this out just to make sure like I'm not snagging on my hair or anything. So I'm pretty much just going to let you guys watch me take it down, and then you guys are going to see the finished look, as in you're going to see how thick, how full, how stretched my hair looks compared to like my second day wash and go. I'm picking my hair at the roots with a wide tooth comb for some more volume. I couldn't find my pick, so this just had to work. And I did this like really cute bobby pin style. I actually really liked it on the side of my hair. And this is pretty much the finished look. I hope I finally answered you guys' questions. So everybody that keeps asking, oh, how do you get your hair to look like this? How do you get your hair so defined? This is pretty much what I do. And throughout the week, the way that I preserve the style is to do the same banding method. This just keeps it like stretched. And then at night, I obviously sleep with my bonnet as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.